In this video, I will show you how to lock your Facebook profile officially so that you can choose who can see your profile. Let's get into it. Now, before locking your profile, you have to make some changes to your Facebook account. Now go to Facebook. Click on your profile icon below. Scroll down, then click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Now scroll down to the section titled Audience and Visibility. Now, before you lock your profile, you have to make some changes to your account. Select Followers and Public Content. Change all features from public to friends only, or as per your requirement. Now go back. Then select Profile and Tagging. Then choose who can tag you. I will go with friends only or as per your requirement, but it shouldn't be public. Go back again. Now select Profile Locking. Here, you can now click on Lock Your Profile, and that will lock your profile. So, you've successfully locked your Facebook profile. For more tech videos like this, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.